Hi all, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawings for manufacturing. So I already made the 3D modeling. I will convert it into 2D drawings. Select file, select new, select the drawing template, select right mouse button, base view, select sidebar, top view, OK. So we need any one of the view, top or side view, to show the rib thickness and width of the part. So I will remove this top view. Give the dimensions. Length of the object is 100 mm. Here select automatic center lines, select view, I think this is not required. Okay, so then select dimension from here to here 20 mm. Give the height is 50, thickness is 10 mm, and this radius is 20. This whole diameter is also 20. Here give the width of the object 50 mm and give the thickness of the rib. Just arrange the dimensions. Here give the radius dimension. Only one place. So in this tutorial I will show you how to give the tolerance on this. So I will give deviation. So plus side I required 0.1 mm plus side, lower side I require 0. So 100 to 0.1 mm is the tolerance. So give the view names. Front view, this is side view. This is ISO. So that's it friends in this session. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me friends. I need to reach 1k subscriber. Save the drawing, Ctrl S, where you want you can save. So that's it friends. I hope you like this video, and also once again I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button.